6:49 now. We've been tracking some big problems on the Portsmouth side of the Midtown Tunnel for more than 30 minutes or so. Our photojournalist Aaron Kurtz can show you this live picture. Stopped traffic, as you can see. This is 164 eastbound near Cedar Lane. We understand it's an accident, possible injuries involving two vehicles. We also understand that a detour is in place at West Norfolk Road. But as you can see, these folks not moving, and they've been here for almost 30 minutes. So we're looking again at 164 eastbound, the Western Freeway near Cedar Road. We imagine those delays are backing up almost to the 664 interchange. Other alternates, 64 over at the high-rise bridge, 264 over at the downtown tunnel. We do have some normal delays over at the downtown tunnel on the Norfolk side right now around City Hall Avenue. We're going to continue to follow this, try to get more information on the accident itself and tell you more about detours and ways around it every 10 minutes. We'll also follow this when we switch over for Wavy News 10 at 7 a.m. on Fox 43.
Release the beast and purge in our American streets. Your new founding fathers encourage your participation.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.